In this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to record a video and enter it into Logger Pro. So let's begin. First, the video. Set up your laptop so that it points at the thing you want to record. I'm going to take a video of a car that's going to go up a ramp, and I think you can see it both in both pictures. I'm going to use Photo Booth to record the video itself. Photo Booth's pretty easy. It comes with every Mac. It takes pictures by default. We want to put it into video recording mode by clicking right here. Then you click this to record the video. I'm going to click record, and then I will set this thing in motion. Here goes. Now we've got our video. Now, what do you do with the video once you have it? You just right-click right here where I have the video, click on Export. Then you can choose where to save it to here. Type in a file name, hit save, and you're done. Congratulations. In this part of the tutorial, I will be picking up where I left off, and I'll be showing you how to insert a video into Logger Pro and how to analyze that video. So this is Logger Pro. To insert the video that we've created, go to Insert, Movie, and then you'll have to know where you put the movie. I put it in the Videos folder, or Movies folder, here. So here's the movie. I can make it a little bit bigger by dragging on the edges. And this button right here is the analysis tools. Let's click that and bring it up. So it brings up some analysis tools right over here. And I have some buttons on this side here to play the movie. So most of the movie, in this case, is just me setting it up. So I'm going to move the scroller down to where the real action begins. I've passed it. So here we go. Right there looks like the spot to start it. And if I play it from there, hit the play button, it goes up the ramp. This is the motion that I want to analyze. The car driving up the ramp. So I'll bring it to right here. Now, this button here will bring the video back to its very beginning, and these two buttons will increment the video frame by frame. So let me just increment here frame by frame. There we go. I've just released it. It looks like it's about to go up the ramp. Now I can start collecting data points. So I click right on here on my data point button, right here, and every time I click the movie, it will plot a data point and advance the cart one frame, or advance the movie one frame. So I'll plot data points right here on that little white headlight. And all I have to do is keep clicking. Okay, I think I've developed enough of a data set to begin some analysis. You can see in the background that it is creating a graph right here of our data. And let's take a closer look at that graph right here. And there's actually two graphs. There's an X and a Y graph. So this red is the X graph. That's the horizontal motion of the cart. And the blue graph is the vertical, the up and down motion, the Y motion of the cart. Now, so far there's no scale in our graph, so we have to tell it a scale. So I'm going to click this ruler button. It's the horizontal ruler, not the vertical ruler, the little horizontal ruler right here. And I can just click and drag right along here. And I happen to know the length of this ramp. So when I click and drag, it asks me for a distance. I happen to know that's 1.22 meters long. And if you don't know the length of the ramp or thing that you're using here, you can go ahead and measure it. You might also find it helpful to lay down a ruler in your motion, because if you lay a meter stick down, then you know it's exactly 1 meter. I forgot to do that when I made the video. So I'm just going to measure the ramp. Now it knows the scale, and now we have a beautiful graph. Let's go take another look at it. There is a scale. It's microscopic down here. We've got time in seconds and X and Y in meters over here. Now you notice I've lost my video, so I'm going to go to page. Way down here is auto arrange, and that will show me the video and everything else. Now I want to get the motion of this cart going up the ramp. So what I'm going to do is define the coordinate system. And I'm going to click on this button right here. And if you hover the mouse over these buttons, it tells you what they are. Set origin. So I'm going to click right here at the beginning of the ramp. And it put a little axis on here. So this is our x-axis and y-axis. Now, my motion is occurring along this ramp, so I'd like my coordinate system to be a little bit tilted along with the ramp. I just want one motion, not an X motion and a Y motion. So I'm going to grab this little dot, and I'm going to bend this until it lines up perfectly. That's pretty darn good right there. So now I've got motion in this direction and the Y motion, which has now been reduced to basically about 0. Now I don't even want to see this Y motion, I just want to see the motion of the cart up the ramp. So I can double click, I can just click right here, click on X, voila, now I only have one motion on my graph. All right, and that's how you do it.